Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the air conditioner on your Honeywell Home thermostat. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and turn on the air conditioner on your smart Honeywell Home thermostat. How do you actually go about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is turn it on. Then on the top left where it says mode, click on that. And then as you can see where it's highlighted, you want to go ahead and click on this again until it highlights cool. And as you can see, it's blinking cool, then click on save. Now, your air conditioner has been turned on in your smart Honeywell Home thermostat. This top right button here is the set to button. So as you can see right now, it's set to 76 degrees. But if you adjust this button up and down, if the top right button is lower than the center number, that means that it's going to go from 76 degrees to 74 degrees. But if it's higher, that means your air conditioner is going to go ahead and turn off. So you want to go ahead and make sure that you set this button to a lower temperature so that it goes from 76 to 73. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on the air conditioner on your smart Honeywell Home thermostat. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.